Today I'm going to show you how to remove a background from a subject like a person, an animal, or just a normal object. So let's get started. We're going to be removing the background from this image, that is, we're going to be removing this forest and leave the man with a white plain background. So first open up your browser and then type in photopea.com, the link is in the description. And then hit enter and then it'll open up photopea.com. Just wait for the online photo editor, that is photopea.com, to open up. Now here you'll have to hit F11 on your keyboard to enter full screen. Then click on file and then open. Then open up the image from your computer wherever you've saved it. I've saved it on my desktop, so I've selected desktop here. Select the picture and then click on open. And then here you'll have to hit control and the plus key to zoom in. Hold the control and then hit the plus key once to zoom in. Scroll up using a scroll key on your mouse and then click on this tool right here, the lasso tool. Right click on it and then select polygonal lasso. Select that and then here scroll up and then you'll have to click on any part of the subject. This is the man's hair. You have to click one place, anywhere on that person, the edge of that person or the subject, and then click again and then continue selecting it. So like as if you're drawing on it, you'll have to click on the edge of that subject till you complete it. You have to go all the way down to the bottom and you have to come back to the top. So just do that whole thing by clicking. So I'm clicking here and then I'm going to click here again and I'm going to go inside the hair. And then I'm going to click and then click again. You have to continue clicking and select all the parts of the subject without making any mistake. I'm going to speed up the video. I'm not going to show you the whole process. You can do the whole process on your own. And then when you reach the last part, as you can see, I've already selected the whole man here, the whole subject. And then when I'm reaching the last part, you'll have to select the last part, that is this part. This is mine in this case. And you have to click exactly in the point where you started out. This is mine. And as soon as you've clicked on the point where you started out, it'll start selecting the whole thing here, as you can see. Now hit Control and the minus key this time to zoom out. And then hit Control X on your keyboard and then it'll select up that subject. Now here click on File again. This time click on New. And then here you have to click on Create. And then hit Control V. And here this is the background layer. You'll have to double click on the lock icon here. Double click on that. And then just close this window. And then delete the background layer. Or you can keep the background layer if you want that white background. If you don't want a white background, if you want a transparent background, you can just delete it. But I'm going to keep the white background just to show you guys. Now, just in case, before you hit Control X and then paste, I recommend one thing you do is right click and then you can click on Refine Edge right here. As soon as you hit Control, instead of hitting Control X, you'll have to right click before hitting Control X, click on Refine Edge. Refine edge means that when you already selected a subject and you just want to refine the edges. So let's say you by mistakenly didn't select the white part, or you cut out a piece that you wanted to be there, you can use this and paint out the portion you want to show. So let's say you want to show this whole tree part, then you can color on top and then here it will show up that image. So if I now color this part, this tree part, you can increase the size as well. You can see that the part I'm coloring is showing up here in the edit. I'm just going to close this because I don't want that to happen. Hit Control X and then back here hit Control V. I've already done that. Now here, as soon as you've hit Control X and then pasted it onto a new white background, click on File, Export as PNG or JPEG, whatever format. And then here you can click on Save and it will download that file. You can click on the file here. And as you can see, we've downloaded the file and it's just a white image. Now I'm going to close this. You now hit F11 on your keyboard again. Hit F11 and then close the Google browser or whatever browser you're using. And if you go back, this is the image we just created. That is, we removed the background. And here if you open up this image right here, this is the pic. This is the before. This is the before and this is the after. As you can see, we successfully removed the background. And yeah guys, that's in this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a like and share with your friends. And if you have any queries, you can fill out the SahimTech query and suggestion form. and make sure to hit the subscribe button to help me make more videos like this. Till then, see you later. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.